This is the popular 2018 RAV4 LE. It offers style, comfort, and the added benefit of all-wheel drive. It comes equipped with silver roof rails, color-matched mirrors and door handles, and 17-inch alloy wheels. From the back, the RAV looks sporty with a color-matched rear spoiler, LE all-wheel drive badging, and a shark fin antenna. The cargo area offers plenty of room for extended road trips, and there's a retractable security cover to conceal your gear. This compact SUV has a modern design that includes integrated turn signals in the mirrors and projector beam headlights. The cabin is roomy and comfortable with premium cloth upholstery along with air conditioning, power windows and locks, dynamic radar cruise control, heated seats, tilt steering, and an AM/FM CD display audio system with Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, and a backup camera. The RAV4 offers seating for 5, a passenger center console, and 60/40 fold-down rear seatbacks, allowing you to transport larger items. Power comes from a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The 2018 RAV4 LE offers class-leading performance, safety, and reliability. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 East Head Road in Kelowna.